Alrighty friends, so I helped you make a Tinkercad jet and you must turn in a screenshot. Before you do that, let me show you how to zoom in and out so that you can get it perfect. Also, you can use your view cube to get it perfect. You can right click, drag to get the perfect angle to show off yours. Another bonus is if you push shift and right click, you can move it to the exact angle for the coolest picture ever. Once you've got your picture you want, you can simply hit send to a picture of your design with that button. I'm going to click the quick access and just choose downloads. If you can't see it, that's how you get to it. I'm going to call it Jet MDH. If you want to send more than one copy or more than one angle, you can change to another angle. Once again, I'm going to do the shift drag, zoom in a little bit, and get it as cool as I can. And I'm going to hit send to, and I'm going to save another picture. Notice it automatically puts a 1 after it. It's still in the downloads folder, and I'm going to hit save, and then I'm going to hit close. Once you've got that completed, you need to go to Classroom, and you need to hit View Assignment, and you need to add the file. The coolest way to do this is to upload it, and you can browse for them. You can also, if you can see these little arrows, do Show in Folder, and then when this folder pops up, you can just drag your files over to add them. I'm going to hit add again once that becomes complete, and file, and I'm still going to upload, and I'm going to go to my project, and now I'm going to add the second view of my awesome jet. Do make sure that once you're finished, you hit the turn in button, and then also be patient for it to say, do you really want to turn it in? Because it does not show up as complete until you've done that. Friends, I hope this helps you out, and if it did, please give the video a like. If you've got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.